Reciprocating for bag powder packaging machine. The fully automatic reciprocating vertical powder packaging machine is a highly efficient, automated device specifically designed for handling powdered materials. It integrates seamless, end-to-end functions such as automatic bag making, precise metering, dust-proof filling, reliable sealing, and date coding. By incorporating a customized structural design, this machine effectively addresses common challenges in powder packaging. Widely used across industries such as food, daily chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals. This machine is particularly well suited for packaging non-sticky free-flowing powders and granules like white sugar, coffee, soy milk powder, and probiotics.